Hello and welcome to Your World This Week, the weekly roundup for all the top news stories of the week. The top news stories this week are:
the Trump administration on Thursday barred Harvard University from enrolling international students. The decision comes after Harvard University refused to agree to the administration's policy demands. In a statement, the U.S. Department of Homeland Security stated Harvard can no longer enroll foreign students and existing foreign students must transfer or lose their legal status. U.S. Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem ordered the termination of Harvard University's Student and Exchanged Visitor Program certification after the university declined to provide foreign students' conduct records requested by DHS in April. U.S. President Donald Trump on Wednesday announced that a design had been finalized for the Golden Dome missile defense system, adding that he expected it to be operational before the end of his term. Speaking from the Oval Office, Trump said that the multi-layered $175 billion defense system would put U.S. weapons in space for the first time. He further added that the Golden Dome missile program would have the capability to stop missiles even if they were launched from space. Jyoti Malhotra, the Haryana-based influencer who ran the YouTube channel Travel with Joe, was arrested under serious espionage charges for her alleged links with Pakistani intelligence operatives. She is among 11 individuals arrested across Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh over the past 2 weeks in connection with a suspected Pakistan-backed spy network believed to be operating in North India. The Hisar Superintendent of Police Shashank Kumar Sawant had said on Wednesday that they were yet to find evidence which could suggest that espionage-accused YouTuber Jyoti Malhotra had accessed any defense or strategic information. Indian celebrities and influencers made a significant impact at the 78th Cannes Film Festival, showcasing their fashion prowess on the global stage. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan stunned in a white and gold Manish Malhotra sari with sindoor. Aditi Rao Hydari looked radiant in a red raw mango sari with sindoor. Janhvi Kapoor and Ishan Khattar made their debut at Homebound's premiere, wearing designs by Tarun Tehaliani and Gaurav Gupta. Nitanshi Goyal debuted in a black and gold swan, and Sharmila Tagore and Simi Garewal attended the screening of Aranyar Din Ratri. Influencers like Nancy Tagi and Shalini Pasi also captivated with self-designed and artistic looks. BCCI Secretary Devjit Saikia has categorically denied media reports suggesting India's withdrawal from the upcoming Men's Asia Cup and Women's Emerging Team Asia Cup, calling the claims completely unfounded and totally false in a response to speculation that the board had notified the Asian Cricket Council of such intentions.